Hello, my name is Wisdom. I will live eventually, and this is my final project for Code in Place Introduction to Python Programming that I took with Stanford University for the past 6-7 weeks. This is a Python Hangman game. In the basics of Hangman, you have 6 tries to guess the secret word that has been given to you. The program has a word already in its backlog, and then it gives you 2 to 3 letters from that word, and you have to guess. Here is a hint: all the words in this Python Hangman game are words you learned in coding place or you learned in introductory Python programming. You have 6 tries to guess any basic Python terminology that you know based on the hint letters that's been given to you. Firstly, if you guess something that's correct, a correct letter, you get a good guess. But if you guess a wrong one, you get a bad guess. And in both scenarios, you lose a turn and skip to the next turn. But if you guess something that has already been guessed before, you don't lose a turn. The program will alert you that you have gotten guessed this letter before. I'm really glad to have learned in coding place, and I hope you enjoy this game.